How to change price on Vinted. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can change price on Vinted. So kindly watch to the end. What do you do first? The first thing to do is to log in into your Vinted account. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your own page. On this page, you would see your Vinted logo, and then by the right side, you would see your profile icon. Once you see it, click on it. Once you click on it, in the box displayed, select profile. Then, after selecting profile, you will go to your profiles page. On this page, you'll see your username, you'll see things about you. The next step is to scroll down and select the product whose price you would like to change. After selecting the product, you will be taken to the page where you'll see details about the product by the left side or right side, I mean. Scroll down and then you can see some options. Ensure you click on edit listing. And then after clicking on edit listing, you will be taken to the editing page. On this page, you can now go ahead and change the price of the item. So once it has loaded, you can see sell an item. So scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and then under the price, you can just go ahead and type out the price of the item, the new price. And then once you've typed it out, scroll down, then click on save, and then just like that, the price would be changed, as you can see here. Yeah, so that is it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.